What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to go live on TikTok step by step so you can start streaming and interacting with your audience in real time. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap the Create button, which is the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. This is the same button you use to post regular TikTok videos. Once the camera screen opens, look at the options along the bottom and swipe until you see Live. If you don't see the Live option, keep in mind that TikTok requires you to be at least 18 years old and usually have a minimum number of followers to go live. After selecting Live, choose a cover image for your stream and enter a title. Your title is important because it tells people what your live stream is about and helps attract viewers. When everything looks good and you're ready to start, tap the Go Live button. After a short countdown, you'll be live on TikTok. While you're live, you can tap the three dots icon at the bottom of the screen to adjust settings, manage comments, or change other live options. And that's it. You're now live on TikTok, so go say hi to your viewers, interact with the chat, and have fun streaming. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.